If you're looking for a game-changing tool to streamline your invoicing process, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the Invoice Data Extraction AI, the newest software that's just hit the market. If you're unfamiliar with it, stay tuned, because by the end of this review, you'll have a complete understanding of how this AI can save you time and money. Now, before we get started, I want to let you know that you can try Invoice Data Extraction AI completely free from the first link below. Trust me, it's worth checking out. So let's talk about what makes this tool stand out. First off, one of the biggest selling points is its ability to automatically extract data from invoices in any format, whether it's PDF, image, or even scanned documents. Invoice Data Extraction AI doesn't just read the invoice, it understands it. No more manual entry, no more errors. This AI is powered by cutting-edge technology that ensures high accuracy. Imagine, all you need to do is upload an invoice, and the software instantly recognizes critical information like dates, amounts, vendor names, and itemized products or services. It's as close to a set-it-and-forget-it solution as you can get. What's more impressive is the learning curve. This AI doesn't just sit there, it gets smarter as you use it. The more invoices you process, the better it gets at recognizing patterns and improving its extraction accuracy. It's like having a personal assistant who learns exactly how you like things done. And if you need to make any tweaks or corrections, the interface is user-friendly, making it super easy to edit or adjust data on the fly. Another game-changing feature is the real-time integration. Invoice Data Extraction AI can seamlessly integrate with your existing accounting systems, whether it's QuickBooks, Xero, or other tools you use for financial management. That means once the data is extracted, it's sent directly to your accounting system without any extra steps. Let's talk about security. If you've got sensitive financial data, you'll be happy to know that Invoice Data Extraction AI uses bank-grade encryption to ensure everything is kept safe. The company also complies with global data protection regulations, so you can rest assured your invoices are handled securely. One thing I really like about this software is the customization options. It's not just one size fits all. You can adjust it to match your specific invoicing needs. Need it to flag certain vendors or types of expenses? Done. Want it to automatically categorize and tag different types of transactions? It's got you covered. Now let's touch on the price. I know when it comes to AI tools, the cost is a big consideration. Invoice Data Extraction AI is reasonably priced, and remember, you can try it for free through the link below. So why not give it a shot? If it saves you just a few hours of work per week, it's already paid for itself. Lastly, don't forget about the customer support. It's not just about the tool itself, it's about the team behind it. With Invoice Data Extraction AI, you have access to a dedicated support team available to help you troubleshoot any issues or answer any questions you might have. So there you have it. Invoice Data Extraction AI offers a comprehensive, user-friendly solution for automating the tedious process of invoice data extraction. It's secure, customizable, and integrates seamlessly with your existing systems. And as I mentioned, you can try it for free right now using the link below. And before you go, I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I've listed my recommended ones in the description for you. Check them out and thank me later.